Hello there again. This is Dimitri from AlphaCars from our Boxborough location, and we're continuing with the overview, a detailed video overview of the 2008 Honda S2000 that we are extremely lucky, and we're very thankful to the previous owner for retaining such an amazing original condition of this car throughout the vehicle, both mechanically, cosmetically, and maintenance-wise. So now we just finished our segment of the vehicle condition overview. We're going to take it for a quick test drive. The first thing we're going to do is obviously secure the soft top. We just did the other side. We're going to get in, and it is a very comfortable car to get in and out. I had a gentleman, a rather large person. He was trying this car. He got in and he said, wow, I can't believe I actually fit comfortably. There's plenty of headroom and plenty of performance. We're going to check that out in a moment. The shifter feels phenomenal. We're going to turn ignition on. And the red line between 8 and 9,000. We're certainly not going to get there now, but it is definitely exciting to see that tachometer. I'll put my seat belt on. The seat belt itself feels nice and fresh, and it's not worn in any way. The leather seats are amazing in this car. The power steering input on these vehicles, I was always impressed how balanced it is, because it has, you have a great feel of the road, and of course, having the power steering is an awesome feature. So we're going to take it around the building first. This is our AlphaCars facility in Boxborough. These are our service bay and showroom delivery area. As you probably know, we also handle Ural motorcycles. Oh, look at that G-Class. We just sold it. He set up the headlamps, the driving lamps. I'll say it again because everybody will have a question on how does the clutch feel. The clutch feels phenomenal. It grabs right away. It has no pulsation in the pedal. And the shifter, just the joy of shifting would make you go upshift or downshift, even if you don't have to. Engine performance is stunning. It's very, very smooth. Excellent throttle response. The handling is what makes this car what it is. And for this size convertible, it's actually very quiet. We're in fourth gear. Excellent brake response. Downshifting into third. We'll wave to a police officer for their hard work. And this is relatively bumpy road. Again, it's a sports car. It's a great handling sports car, but it is also a very comfortable sports car. I'm going to hit this bump, which I know about. Yeah, it's a good sized bump, nothing that would damage the rim, but it's something that I'm very familiar with because, you know, we checked body rattles here, and this car had minimal to no inconvenience hitting that bump. We're in fifth gear, and we're only going 44 miles an hour. And here's the beauty of this engine. It just instant acceleration, torque is phenomenal, because you would think the engine with such high revs would have its best performance, and I'm sure it does in that upper range of the RPM. But even in the low range RPM, it's very, very comfortable to drive. We'll take some back roads. Yeah, if you ask me now, what do I like about this so far, outside of the vehicle originality, and if we talk about performance, strictly performance, I love the shifting. The handling is very nice, but the shifting is just so awesome. And again, I intentionally took this road. It's a rather bumpy road, and it feels very, very comfortable. Yeah, and just stuck to the road. You turn the steering wheel, and the car just does exactly what you wanted it to do, what you expect it to do. Yeah, the roads are nice and dry. So we would love to invite you to visit us here in Boxborough, but if you happen to be looking at this car and you are outside of coming to us, we've sold hundreds of vehicles over the years and delivered them, and people bought them basically sight unseen. We encourage you to check our reputation. You will read reviews from our customers that bought cars sight unseen, and consistently those vehicles exceeded expectations. We welcome you to connect with us about this car or anything else you see on our website. We have excellent transportation options, cost efficient and reliable ones. We also offer excellent financing options even on vintage automobiles, and we have extremely competitive rates, and we also take trades. So if you have a trade, let us know what it is. We will be excited to review it and evaluate it for you. But in the meanwhile, back to this vehicle. Again, it drives very, very comfortable. It's a great car for a demanding driving enthusiast, as well as someone who just wants to have a cool convertible and take it out once in a while, or drive or use it as a commuter during acceptable weather conditions. This is a great car for all these applications, and we still, as we're doing this video, we have it available. We haven't posted any pictures. We just posted vehicle availability online, and we already had half a dozen inquiries in less than 2 days. People that are just, they've been on the market. I talked to a couple of them. They've been on the market for months, and some of them were looking for a project car. So, and a couple of them, hopefully you will be the ones looking at this video, were looking for an extremely original example. And this car definitely qualifies. It's going to be hard to find something more original than this one. Brakes feel awesome. Yeah, the engine performance is actually very rewarding as well. So we're back to our AlphaCars facility in Boxborough, Massachusetts, where we have almost 7,000 square feet of architecturally built post and beam and glass showroom space that we and our customers enjoy, and most of our vehicles are inside. We also have over 7,000 of high-tech, state-of-the-art service areas, including for maintenance of late model cars, restoration area, detailing and reconditioning, and we have amazing shop equipment when it comes to alignment, wheels, and wheel balancing. We use Hunter Road 4 state-of-the-art machine, and we use Hunter Revolution machine for mounting and dismounting. We have a separate video, so we encourage you to look at that as well. It's a state-of-the-art equipment. Those are engineering marvels that we have here in our Boxborough location. So thank you very much for viewing this video, and we hope to see you soon.